Structural engineering is a field that involves the design and construction of structures such as buildings, bridges, and other large-scale projects. One important principle that is often used in this field is the concept of strong columns and weak beams. This concept suggests that the columns of a structure should be designed to be stronger and more rigid than the beams. This is because columns are typically subjected to compressive forces which try to push them inward, while beams are subjected to bending and flexural stresses which try to deform them. The strong column weak beam concept is important because it helps to ensure the stability and integrity of a structure. If the columns are not strong enough to withstand the compressive forces acting on them, they may buckle or collapse, leading to the failure of the entire structure. On the other hand, if the beams are too strong and rigid, they may not be able to deflect and absorb the bending and flexural stresses, leading to the deformation or failure. One of the key benefits of strong column weak beam concept is that it allows for more efficient use of materials. By making the columns stronger and the beams weaker, engineers can use smaller and lighter beams while still maintaining the overall stability and strength of the structure. This can lead to cost savings in materials and construction, as well as a lighter overall structure that is easier to maintain and repair. Overall, the strong column weak beam concept is an important principle in structural engineering that helps to ensure the safety and stability of any structure. By designing the columns to be stronger and more rigid than the beams, engineers can create structures that are efficient, cost effective, and able to withstand the various forces they may encounter. So this was all about this lecture. You can check out the complete building design combo course on ETABS and SAFE, wherein you will get to work on 6 separate models in ETABS and the complete foundation design in SAFE. Again, if you want to develop the proper skill set required for a site engineer, then you can enroll in our complete site engineer course, which is available in both Hindi and English. The link of the courses will be provided in the description box of this video.